Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Healthy Taste episode number 2. If you want to make a dhaba style paneer at home, let's make it in a simple way. Take 150 gram of paneer and 3 boiled onions, 1 tomato, ginger garlic, some pieces of paneer, desiccated coconut, turmeric and red chilli powder. Make a fine paste of it. Take a pan, add some oil in it. Give it tadka of kasuri methi and turmeric first. Add our fine paste of all ingredients. Cook until the 5 minutes. When oil separated from the masala, sugar and Maggie masala to it. That's the secret ingredient of our recipe. Add all paneer cubes, salt to taste and water and cook until 10 minutes. Yeah, it's ready to serve now. You can serve with naan and chapati. Thank you.